My name is Wani and I am your guide, and today we won't be discovering birds from all over the world. But before that, everyone meet Basil.
Hello everyone! Now I am a bird. These are the Pacific birds, also
Now we will be taking a drive to the pond, then a boat ride on the Tembo Panta River. There you might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a raining howler. Everyone look around you! Wow. One more! Well, you have been one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, the Peruvian Amazon. Whoa! Wow, look at that! Now welcome to Chinchon Macaw Clinic, where hundreds of birds gather every day to look up on play. Now this clinic is the largest of its kind in the world.
now everyone look right up there and let's welcome Lambo and Ferrari, our Scarlet macaw. Macaws like that, they have sharp and pointy beaks, which means they can sometimes eat. What they're about to do helps to neutralize those toxins. And clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diets. Amazing, right, Wani?
Really amazing. So no upset tummies. Guys, in Singapore, home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species.
Wow!
Look at that! Now, Basil, I have a very important question for you today. Enough place for you.
1,000 species, remember?
Okay, so one more.
And here with me we have Katie. Now Katie here is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Sulfur-crested cockatoos, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now sulfur is yellow in color, which is how they get their names from the sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Oh.
Where is Katie?
There.
Oh, there you go.
One more. You believe me now?
Yeah, I believe it.
Now everyone make Gracie and Amigo masters of mimicry. So Gracie here, she has something to say to all of you. Gracie, let's welcome them. Wow, did you hear that? She said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's do that again, shall we? Now let's welcome them. There you go. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here at Mandai Bird Paradise. Now, Wani, I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
That's right, guys. But hold on, everyone. Quincy, she is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, he is 1 in a million. So if you want to get yourself a pet parrot, you might get a bird just like Big John.
Big John?
Yes.
Oh.
Hi, Big John.
Hi, Big John.
So now,
Alright.
it was really loud, right? So think twice. No. Think about it 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. Without everyone, let's give Quincy herself. Whoop. Slowly does it happening to you. Now everyone, meet Mrs. Axel, our so-called cat. Now Mrs. Axel, she has been with us for more than any adjustments right there. So volunteers, don't forget to smile for the camera. Okay, looks like they are reading Olivia. Whenever you are in, let's go. Ready? Whoa! Well done, Olivia. But I think there was a little bit too fast. Shall we do this one more time? Yes or no? Yes? Yes! Okay, so one more time, Olivia. Ready, let's go! Whoa! time for our lecture and
Happy birthday!
bye-bye.